What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, dudes? Hell yeah, P1 skates in his house. We here still. What's going on here? Great Satan. Goodbye. Alright, yeah, well, the cat's out of the bag. I play World of Warcraft. Check my videos out if you want to do some leveling videos and stuff like that. So, yeah, we're back in action though. We got to do ArduBoy FX currently. Here it is. I found it. I lost it for like a whole day. I was freaking out. I lost it. I lost it. I don't know where I did it. I lost it. So I bought another one, and then I found it like 24 hours later. So I'm getting a second one in the mail. That's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. So last time we got graphics on the screen, and we had graphics. I think, yeah, we put graphics on the screen, right? And we had a background. That's what we did, right, last time. So this time, we're going to make Pong. We're following Holmes's tutorial on making Pong. So we're gonna follow along and make Pong. I'm not gonna go explaining a whole lot. If you want to like get more detail, like read through his tutorial thing, but I'm kind of just gonna do it, and you're gonna watch me do it and see what mistakes I come up with as I'm doing it. You know, I mean, I'll explain some stuff, little stuff here and there, but like, I'm no expert programmer or coder or nothing like that. I'm just an enthusiast. So, but without further ado, let's do it. Here we are. Here we are. Before you start, follow him on Twitter. I don't know if I did or not, but I may have. I'll follow you, Crait. So this tutorial, here we are. We're gonna learn more about functions, switch statements, you know, game structure. So the first thing he goes into is switch statements right here, the switch keyword. Easiest, can't really save you a lot of time to code. So look at all these alphas, switch. That's what a switch does. Like cases. So his first thing is planning the game. Planning the game is key. You need to plan the game well if you're gonna have a successful like game. If you don't plan it out, you don't, plan for it. It's not going to be that great. It's going to be hard to make it. You're going to get lost. You could get stuck. Best thing is to do is plan it out. Because believe me, I know. I never planned any of the stuff I started working on. Nothing ever got finished. So there you go. I'm trying to plan out these videos and like kind of do stuff like that. But all right. So yeah. So planning the game. So you got to set up a new sketch, title screen, game screen, win screen, and lose screen. You got to create the ball, create and control the paddle, create the computer's paddle, do the collision programming, the AI scoring, new ball resetting the game. So I already got this going. If you didn't notice, it's already there. This whole stuff here. So most of the game stuff is going to go in the loop statement. I'm going to do a lot of the variables just right off the bat, but just like declare every variable. So I get those out of the way right in the beginning. And then the the setup statement don't have a lot. Then we got to make a reset game function. I forget what it's called, but I'll just name it reset right now for now. I don't know what goes in there. All right, so we got it all set up here. Frame rates, so we set the frame rate and then we do some if statement. And then let's see, we do initiate random seed and set the frame rate right before clear. All right, let's do that real quick. We're gonna do 60. All right. Dude, I'm jamming right now. I got Pink Floyd in my ears. I figured out where you could use Voice Meter Banana to listen to something, and it's not going to record it into OBS. So I'm jamming right now. Listen to Floyd. Oh yeah, dude. All right, we're gonna initiate the random seed here. Well, I was hoping it could just pop up. It did not. Initiate the random seed. Seed the random then, but generate. Should I write the comment there? Prevent the ArduBoy from running too fast. Not ArduBoy. Next frame. Next frame. What do we do then? Return? Oh, that's it. And then we clear it again there. Clear it then again there. And then we gotta put the game code there. Always save it. So we gotta get the game instruction out here. All right, before I get, well, I guess we could go through this, but before I write the switch statements, I want to get all the variables written in. Structuring the game. So we need to set up the title, screen, game, win, and game over screens. We need to section our gameplay called game states. You know, create variables, keep track of the game state, as well as a switch keyword. Set different blocks of code each time. So let's start declaring the game state variable. Should I do this all real quick and then I'll initialize all the variables? No, we're gonna get to bouncing the ball there. So yeah, we're structuring the game right now. All right, let me initialize all these variables real quick though. I'm gonna initialize all the variables for the game. So then later on, they're just ready to go. So game state equals 0, ball x 62. So that's where the number is gonna be, I guess, the x statement. That's gonna start off. Ball size, the ball gets bigger. Oh, oh, all right. We'll get to these numbers, what these numbers mean later. Ball down, 1, 1. A paddle width, so maybe we could make the paddle bigger and smaller for different reasons when we keep playing the game, right? Paddle height, like the width and the height. All right, all right, all right. Layer X, layer Y, computer Y. These are all positions of all the characters right now. That's what all this is. Computer 27 minus the paddle width. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Almost done. Oh, computer score. Hold on. What's going on here? So they're always going to start off at 0. A 0. So we got the game state. We got ball position, X and Y locations, the ball size, the ball right, ball down, paddle width, paddle height, player X position, player Y position, computer X, computer Y position. Ooh, look, I already see something. Oh, all right. Y and X. Oh, wait. What? That is weird because X and Y and the player first and then Y, X. I went backwards for the other one. And 0, let me see if I didn't forget anything. Looks all right. Ball right. There's no ball down or ball left or ball up. There's a ball right and a ball down. All right, that looks like all the variables we need in the game, looks like. All right, save as this reset game function here. So it was reset game. I knew it, not just reset. Do this real quick, get this function going. What do we got to do here? So to reset the game, ball X equal 63. We didn't even get into this in the video. I'm just getting these going real quick. The easy stuff in. I like just getting the easy stuff in because I went through this code and I remembered a lot of this already. So like, and I kind of made notes on all the variables we needed. So that's what I'm looking at right now. But go through his whole thing and you'll know. So we're gonna get into this switch statement here. So the switch statement, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go right here, right in the game code here. Yeah, welcome to the machine plane. Heck yeah. There's some stuff in the setup. I think that's all the setup code we gotta do. And initiate random seed and set the frame rate. That's all we gotta do in there, I'm pretty sure. And we gotta pull the buttons. Before the game code, I forgot about that. Pull buttons, pull them! What does the pull button thing do again? It like, you know, pulls them. Alright. You know what pull means. Alright, so game state is 0, we want the title screen 1, we want the gameplay screen 2 or 3, then we'll want the winner or the game over screen. So alright. So heck yeah. That's what we gotta do. So we're gonna write that here. We're just gonna start with that. Write in all the switch statements in the cases real quick. So you write start off with switch. I learned all this years ago when I was learning C++. I just don't code as much as I should to like remember like all this stuff. So it's good to get like refreshers on all this too by reading his stuff in these tutorials. Thanks, Holmes. Thank you, sir. All right, there's the title, so I'm gonna make notes for here for sure. Break. The break. All right, I'm gonna skip a line for the next case. Case one. Which one is this then? Gameplay. Breaks it. Let me go to case two. Case two, the win screen. I'm gonna program all these screens too. It's gonna be fun. This is fun programming, dude. I like programming. Case three. Then that's it, right? After case three. All right. Break. Isn't there a base one though? Like just like a default case too? I thought there was a default one, but maybe we don't need it. All right, let's also add text so we can test this. All right, I was just gonna say that we should test this. All right, so let's set the cursors, right? So we can test all these game states real quick. Make sure I'm getting it right. Make sure it's working. 0, 0. We're gonna just print stuff on the screen. It looks like we're gonna print title screen. There's all the same thing. All right, let's do the professional way. The professional way. It's a joke, but look how much easier that was. Oh man. And then the lose screen, right? Game over. All right, so title, gameplay, win screen, game over screen. So depending on, the game state, we're going to either have the title screen, we're going to have the gameplay, win, or the game over screen. So, all right, so we got this just to test it out. What's going on here next, Holmes? Excuse me. So touch screen appears, nothing else works outside of ability to the screen. Push the A button. Alright, that's what we got, right? This is all we got so far. So we're gonna push the A button, it's gonna change cases, it sounds like what he's gonna do. If ArduBoy just press A button, game state equal 1. Then if it A game state equal 2, just press. So every time you press it, it's gonna change the game state. It's gonna just go. Alright, so what we do, we're gonna write it here. We just gotta write it once and we could just copy and paste, so I'm never gonna die, gonna make it if you try, I love you. Oh, did I put a game state like this? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. Pink Floyd, dog. Alright. So it goes to 1, then we go into 2. So every time we push it, it's just changing the game state. Let me go back to 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 0. All right, okay, let's run it and test it. So we did just a switch statement for the game structure, and we added all the variables. We made the reset game function here. We set the random seed. w- We set the frame rate, duration, you know, pulled the buttons. We're just doing basic stuff now. Now it's like, hey, test it. All right, let's verify it real quick. Make sure there's no bugs and errors. Look, tons of errors already. What the heck? It's like, hey, dude, like something is busted here. Let's see. Something with the case statements are messed up. What did I miss? What did I miss? The if statements? Did I miss anything in the ifs? Case statements. Here, I put the wrong thing, dude. The colon goes there, not the semicolon. Alright, verify. See, that's something. That's a little, just a little bug. There's still more. There's still more. What the heck? Well, it's not declared. It says something player score is not declared in the scope. Uh-oh. Mm. Let me just double check every every semicolon. Gotta make sure every semicolon is right. Every semicolon. Oh, look, look, look. There's a typo here. Player score. Let me just double check all that real quick. If I do, if I miss it anyway. We still got ArduBoy random scene. ArduBoy, look, it's spelled wrong there. It's like, hey, that doesn't work. Oh, look at that, look at that. All right, we're getting close. We're getting close. So something to do with case 1. Case 1, I thought I fixed all those already. Bugs, typos, see, runtime. Those aren't runtime errors. They're just, I forget. All right, no more bugs. Let's run it. Logical errors, no. Syntax errors, most of those. Turn on title screen. Title, see that? Let's change things real quick. Chat scene. We got the first like thing down. It says title screen. All right, push A button. Gameplay screen. It's working out. Win screen. Nice. Game over screen. All right, we got the game states going. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, Holmes. Thanks, dude. This is like good structure too for like if you want to make a different game for the game states. It works out well. Like I'm gonna try and implement the same thing, switch statements into my game for the game states. Like title screen, gameplay screen, win screen, game over screen. So it's all working. Switch statements are working. I don't know if I could just left it on, but let's reset it. I turned it on and off. All right, so next up, we're going to bounce in this ball. We're going to make the ball, create the ball, and bounce it around the screen. We already created the variables, so we're not worried about that. I did all the variables already, right? So look, it's a rectangle. We got to write up. Where do we write this code, though? I'm pretty sure it's like in the gameplay section somewhere. All right, first things first, though, let's comment this stuff out. How do you there's a way to just do it. All right, control forward slash. Comment all this out real quick. Here, let me do this real quick. I like doing stuff like that first, just like get it all done. What the heck was that? I thought it was control. We got them all? All right, we got all those if statements out of there. All right. Inside the gameplay case, we'll start off by drawing the ball. All right, gameplay case. I told ya. Gameplay screen, man. Draw the ball. ArduBoy, do you spell it right? That fill rectangle. Why are we doing a rectangle, not circle? Ball X first. Ball Y. Ball size. And whites. Nice. So that's a nice rectangle. It's a nice and easy, just make a rectangle. So you make game sprites like that, that's like awesome. If you could just make stuff like that, it's easy. It's like simple. You just make a ball right there, fill the rectangle. Then you handle the move in the ball horizontally by changing the value of the ball X. Do we write all this in here? If ball right equal ball X equal ball X plus 1. So what, we got another one. Ball right again, -1. And ball X equal ball X -1. All right. So what the heck did that do? Ball horizontal by changing the ball X. So that's uh, controls the ball horizontally. Ball X, ball X, ball X, no typos. Ball right. +1, -1. Plus, negative. Move the ball X to the left edge of the screen. Go to the ball right. What should look like now? All right, here, let's look. Let's do this. I'm gonna go for this. Move the ball right. All right, let's do that. Let's put these things in here. I like putting comments. It's good to put these comments off the wall. So we're doing here. These are some great stuff, Holmes. Learning a lot by like just coding this. Copy and pasting stuff like sometimes it's just like not that cool because I don't feel like you learn as much. What's going on here? Something weird's happening right now. If ball X, what am I trying to do here? Both this side of the screen, it says ball X equals zeros. I'm just trying to put a zero. What it let me? I don't know. It's weird. Then we do. I'm losing my place on it. Ball X equals zero. Ball right equal one. It's like the ball off the right side of the wall now. Excuse me. Go of left wall. Fix that real quick. Alright, then what we gotta do on the right side? That's ball X equals 127. It's like the dimensions on the screen, 127, you know. If you see that stuff up there, that's what that means. And then ball X equals what? Or ball right equals negative 1. Equals negative 1. Negative 1. Ball right to the plus 1. Ball right. Negative 1. Win screen. All right. Should I do it? Should I verify this and run it? See if I just get a ball going bouncing back and forth. Let's see. Let's see. We're doing it. It's still uploading to the ArduBoy. Looks like still uploading. Oh, hold on, 'cause I unplugged it. I forget every time you unplug it, you gotta click that port again. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Like, why is it changing ports? Now is it? Boy, art's working. Title screen. Oh, it's not gonna go to the game screen because I commented it out. I'm gonna run it again. It's a screen. Oh, that's a win screen. Come on. I run it. Run it. 'Cause the game screen said uncomment that code. I couldn't all the code, but there's a ball. It's bouncing off the walls. It's a little dot going back and forth. It's gonna bounce off the left wall. Yeah, it did it. It worked. Worked. Yeah. All right. All right. We are getting somewhere. Where are we at now, though? My ball didn't look like that. Is that what the ball's supposed to look like? My ball was like a wimpy ball. The ball down is when we add one to the ball, one ball. So this is the ball movement. Oh, screw it. It's like almost 1 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna, you can read that, learn. I know what it already does, so I'm gonna put the ball movements in there. Ball down, that's a lot. Reflect the ball off the top and the bottom of the screen. Ball X and ball Y size. Where are we at here now? Put the ball off the right side, ball down, ball up. We did that, right? No, we didn't do ball down and ball up. And reflects ball top and ball bottom. Come on, ball. Talk again. So we gotta write code for moving the ball and reflecting the ball. All right. The ball down. If ball down equal 1. What is it? Ball y equals ball y plus 1. So the same thing as ball down and ball up, but it's -1. So I reflect off the top with ball y equals 0, ball down equals 1. It's the same thing for the other one, but it's not 0. It's like 63. Is that the bottom part? 63, I guess. Then -1. And then changing the values, making the ball go that way like this. That's what that's doing. And the same thing about it going like this. I save it, let's verify. Let's see if I got any typos or errors. See if it's all copacetic. It worked, yes. Oh, look, so there's one thing he wants to do before moving around. Watch the ball. Carefully it moves. You notice it moves off the screen, the bottom right side. Using it does ball vertical, blah, blah, it says. So change the reflection code to this. What reflection code? Ball X. Ball X. What does he want in there? Plus the ball size. All right, I did notice that. Oh, here, well, not this one. Only the right wall. We gotta do. So 21. All right, what do we gotta do in the other one? The negative one. Send that reflect. And the -63. All right, plus ball size. All right, so we changed that up a little bit. Fixes it up, he says. All right, let's run the code. Let's see, it should be mesmerizing. Let's see how mesmerizing it is. It probably is. I mean, it is pretty mesmerizing. But fascinating to me how this just works. There's the ball. This ball's like just going back and forth like this. I don't know. It's not going up and down at all. It's like a real dinky ball too, compared to what the picture shows. All right. Ball X is 62, ball Y is 0, ball size is 4, ball right is 1, ball down is 1. Okay. Ball X, ball Y, full rectangle. I'm just making sure because my ball looks different from his ball. Ball size and ball size. What? I got two ball sizes there. Dude, no wonder. Look, right? Missed a total little, just one spot of code there. And then my really, and I was like, I didn't think nothing of it, but then I'm like, hey, fixed it. Perfect. Dude, it's perfect now. It's way better ball. Oh yeah, dude. Heck yeah, Holmes. Thanks, bro. Alright, so all this is right. I got all this going. Alright, now we gotta create the paddle. We already got the variables going. Oh, we gotta do another fill rectangle. See paddle width and paddle height. Back inside the gameplay section, let's draw the paddle. So I think it's just under the ball. We draw it underneath the ball. Because we created the ball, right? Draw the ball. I'm gonna put create ball. Create the ball. Save it. Alright, create paddle. ArduBoy.fillRec. Ooh, no. Oh, come on, come on. I fill rectangle. Player X. Player Y, right? Paddle width. Paddle height. White again. Nice. Caps lock. Right, that's gonna create it. I got any mistakes here? Player X, player Y, paddle width, paddle height, up and down. We gotta do the controls. Controls up, down. Right, if press up button, player Y equal player Y -1. Down button, then +1. If I figured out that part, if player moves their paddle, press up with player Y. What does he say? The player's press up and paddle if it's greater than. Alright, so he's changing up a little bit. End statements. And player Y is greater than this. Relatively simple, right? Alright. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like. Let's make sure. Yeah, see the ball? I knew it was just like, underneath the ball. Alright, so let's add the difference here. Player button and he has in there. Where are my ends? Do number sevens. End. Player Y. End. Player Y plus paddle height. This is just like cleaning up some code too, probably. 63. Player 1. That's it, dog. That's all there is. Alright, we're done with that section. Alright, now we're gonna get a paddle. Let's see. The ball's still moving back and forth on my screen. Compile it. Verify. Let's upload. Fine. Just straight upload. If I get errors, try to think with errors. There's my paddle. My paddle's not in the middle of the screen, or my ball isn't in the middle of the screen either, though. Let's see the ball's coming. Wonder why is that? Did he change like his ball's position? Ball 62. Oh yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, my paddle and ball aren't in the middle like that. What the heck? That's weird, but I probably got one code typo somewhere. When I initialize the ball, initialize the paddle. Is there anything? Paddle height, paddle width, fill the rectangle. No, like, I don't know, man. Player X position, zeros. Player X, player Y, zeros. Paddle height, 9. I don't know. That's weird, huh? Set cursor to 0, 0. Do I have that? Yeah, gameplay screen, set cursor 0, 0. And then ball, fills the ball. Case place, and then ArduBoy display. Case 2, case 3, see. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just doing one more glance over, making sure if I see anything out of the ordinary to figure that out. But I do not know. Let's go on to the next step. Creating the computer paddle. So it's probably just like the same exact thing as the other paddle, like opposite. Computer paddle. See, you write computer Y in there instead of let's create the computer paddle. Or should I write AI? Alright, so what do we change to computer X and player Y? Position, we just change the positions. Everything else is there the same. Computer Y, computer Y. There's a lot of computer Ys here. Just paste them on, you won't get any typos. -1, +1, at ball size. Oh, it's a little different here. Look, we don't have the end statements here. F ball. Hold on, wait, wait, wait. It doesn't have the if statements the same. It doesn't have the button press. All right, let's read this real quick then. If ball Y, ball Y is greater than less than, I don't know what Texan is, computer Y. Dude, I totally like just like mess me up because I copy and paste it. See what happens sometimes? You just copy and paste it. Ball Y plus ball size, computer Y plus paddle height plus 1 or -1 are the same. Nice, nice. All right, is that it? Is that it? What? All right, we do it. We're gonna check it again, check for errors, and see if we get the both paddles. All so just going back and forth on this thing. I love it. Boy, title screen. All right, both paddles are there. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do collision checking. Now do some collision checking. All right, so he tells you, gives you some ideas, makes you visualize it, and then look at the code from hitting the ball on the left side, and then now the right side, the y-axis and the x-axis. So we're close, done with this game. We're getting close. We are getting close, but go ahead and test it out. All right, hold on. Where is it? Where's the collision detection? Ball. Makes the computer's paddle bounce it off. Player's paddle bounce it off. Oh, hold on, where's how do I make the mistake anywhere? Where you draw the computer's paddle, that's where we just did. Right? Computer paddle. We flick up, flick down. Here we go, here we go. Hold on, hold on. Draw the computer paddle, ball X. Oh, so he has some different things in there, yeah, there at the end of the code. F, come on. Ball Y plus ball size. Computer Y plus paddle height. That's the if statement. Come on, man. Do it the way I want you to do it. What is it though? What is it though? Computer Y plus paddle height, and then computer Y equals computer Y plus 1. Dude, dude, there's a if and an if statement here. All right, that's later on code though. He's gonna say, so if I'm reading this, I'm looking at the bounce context, pair play bounce it off. I didn't write that. I wrote something else. So I'm completely lost here now. So when I get lost here, I might just, because he's gonna say, I think this is all different later on in the game or in the code. He changes all this. So let's just get this going here for now. All right, see, there's an OR operator, adjusting the AI, scoring, a reset function. I got the reset game function in there already. All right, so we're getting there. Adjusting the AI, we're on the OR operator. So yeah, OR operators, we've been messing with it. It's this. That's the end. This is the OR. So in the AI, he wants to do something with that OR operator. It looks like find these lines of code, in computer paddle. So he wants to change it. And he tests it out. Second, notice how it is. All right, where it's these lines of code, it's gonna be so hard. So this control up and down. Computer Y, ball size. Yep, that's it. Look, see, these are lines of code that have move the computer's paddle. Let's put an if statement around them. They'll only move a certain position, it says. This is that if statement I was talking about earlier. I was like, wait a second, wait a second. There's like something there. So he's saying, hey, we gotta put if statement here. Ball size. All right, there we go. There we go. And then we do the or random. Ball that or random 0 and 20 equal 1. Alright, adjusted this statement. It means the ball x is greater than 15. Randomly pick a number that's equal to 1. Then remove the computer's pedal. Basically, the computer's pedal randomly move 1/20th of a time. Here's the computer code so far. Let's see. We got it correct. Draw the computer's pedal. Create computer's pedal. Controls up and down. I think we got it, but who knows really until we test it out. Oh, look, all these errors. See? Kidding me? This is the stuff I copied and pasted here. What are the errors here? Hold on. Oh, I know, because all this stuff. I've been putting all this stuff with capitalizations. I like doing camel case, man. What do you expect, man? Us, and them. Computer Y, player Y, paddle width, computer X, ball size, player X, ball X, ball right. Come on. Let's verify this again real quick. Make sure we get the typos out of there. Come on, yes. So we got the scoring to do real quick. And then reset function, we're done. We're gonna test this game. Maybe it works. I don't know. Alright, where we at? Scoring. If box. Since we're going to introduce scoring, we need a way for the ball to actually be scored. This means if we remove some of those our old bouncing code. Find those lines and remove them. If ball x equals 0, ball right equal 1. Ball x. There it is. Reflect the ball. We're going to remove this. -1. Yeah, I said remove it. Look for in this case. Play score, keep track of the player score. Here we can check the balls off the screen. Change the points, battle. It's just testing the game out. Here's the code so far. Let's see, let's see. Where's that code that we deleted? Alright, fill the rectangle. There's the fill the rectangle, ball right equals 1, ball x plus 1, ball right equals -1, ball x, -1. Move the ball down. Alright, so that's the code we deleted, right? Should be there. Move the ball up. Reflect the ball off the top. Ball Y 0 plus 1. Reflect the ball size 63. Draw the player's paddle. Up, down, right? Right? Computer's pedal. Draw the computer pedal. Paddle height, paddle height. Computer Y, computer Y. Dude, this is a lot of code. Just like look back and forth like I'm losing my mind. I need to take a break, but I want to get this video over with. We're getting so close here. I got lost here. All right, there's the random. The ball's lower. We got that. Yeah, +1. Ball moves off the screen to the left. All right, here's the new stuff. Here's the new stuff. Here we go. Ball moves off screen to left. Was off screen to right. All right, what do we got put in this? What we got put in this thing, man? What we got put in this? All right, ball moves off to the screen if ball X -10. Ball to middle. Ball X equals 63. Give computer a point. Give computer a point. Dude, all these typos. What do we gotta do here if a ball goes to the right? Almost the same thing, huh? But different. What's that if statement? What the heck? Yeah. The ball X 130. So then I'm gonna get a point for this one. Move out to middle equals 63 again, right? Same thing. Player a point. Give me a point, bro. Give the player a point. Plus one. And we have all that still stuff, right? There's all these game states still in there. Win screen. Things still in there. Verify awesome mouse pretty much finished game is smart. You just need to clean it up some. Do is check someone wins. Player scores 5 game state. Blah. Yeah, right. Instead of pushing A button, we need to know. We need to change the game state. Then we could get rid of those words. I just uncommented all that stuff too. Game state equal 3. This is equal to. Look, that would have been a game error, right? That would have been an error, all right. Computer score typo. Player scores good. Game state. All right. Maybe we should change the code in case 2. Pushing the A button, right? Taking the game state to 3. Take the game state 0 as a title screen. Reset function. All right, let's see. Let's see. Title screen. Pong. Where's the title screen at? Pong. Ardu Pong. Ardu Pong. That's what I'm calling it. All right, then we push A, then it goes into this. The gameplay set the cursor. Display the player's score. Grab that hitch. Keep that goodbye push. Oh, we don't need the gameplay screen written there anymore. I'll put the player score. Alright, same thing for computer score. ArduBoy. This isn't going to be at 20 though, it's at 101. Computers draw the ball. Dude, are we done though? We should just test it. I think we're done. Win screen. 0-0 game over screen. Game over. Get rid of this part. Put an exclamation mark. And hold on. What's the middle of the screen? 63 and 0. I don't know which one to do 63 out. Whatever, we'll leave it. We'll put this one at 63. Let's verify. And let's play this thing. We already got the reset function in there. So the reset function, so the ball X is 63. So it's X. Yeah, the second one is X. The first one, I mean. So yeah, we're gonna put these to 63. Y position, leave it at 0, I believe, then. Alright, reset functions all the way on the top. Dude, I think we got it. I think we're ready to test this. Like reset game here. Wait, where do we put the reset function at? The full code. I don't know where to put it. Hold on, we put it the reset game where? I guess we got put on both the win and lose screen. If press the button, reset the game. See? Dun, 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 dun. Heck yeah. And we gotta change the game states there too. What the heck am I doing? Yeah, we gotta put this back to 0, right? This one is 0, yeah, because it goes to the home screen. 0 and 0. Dude, are we done? Wow, give yourself a pat on the back, dude. Dude, how long have I been recording, dude? Really need that pat on the back. Oh, my back is hurting too, man. I'm sitting in this cheap chair. I'm in the remote studio. I'm still recording videos, so try my best. Oh, we got some errors here, but we've been recording for over an hour. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, let's see. There's some typos here. Computer score. What do we got here? What kind of errors do we got here? Where is computer score? Computer score. Player score. Was not declared computer score. It's declared there. I spelled it wrong. Excuse me. Where's it at? I thought I fixed that. What else is another alternative? I think that's it. All right, come on. All right, let's load this thing on the ArduBoy, dude. Pong. ArduBoy effects. Boy, Ardu Pong, Ardu Pong. Hold on. 63, but I don't know what the middle is of that. Yeah, I had to set the already Pong. Not, I mean, all right, all right. Let's just keep sending this real quick just so I could get a middle position for the win and lose screen. 63 is too high or too low. So it's like one down and 60 because I'm at cut off. So 23 is pretty good, kind of like dead center. Where are we at? Where are we at? 23 here, 23 there. All right, let's go. Zip. Ardu Pong. It's good. Pong, it says it there. Oh, my guy's moving. My paddle's moving. The ball's going really slow. My paddle and everybody, we started on the top. We didn't start in the middle. Hold on a second. I might need to tweak some code real quick. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Fill rectangles. Computer X, computer Y. Fill rectangle. It just starts at that location. Is that? Why does it start on the top though? Computer X and computer Y. I don't know, man. I gotta figure out why my paddles start on the top of the screen and not the bottom. Are they supposed to start on the top of the screen? I don't even know. But how is this AI doing? He's not even moving. Let's see if I lose, what happens if the score changes. Yeah, he got 1 point. The AI isn't moving anywhere on my game. I don't know what's going on. I can never win this. Yeah, I'm definitely start experimenting, making my own game next year. I want to try and get my guy going up. He's gonna be able to go left and right, and like it's gonna kind of look like he's flying up. So the tiles are gonna be coming down. You got to dodge objects. Oh, the thing is, the one code is still there, pushing the button. Real quick, one of the texts. Gameplay one. Just checking the code real quick. Yeah, this one. All right, thank you. Good night. Good night, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are in the world that do not know. All right, that's it. I'm saving it. Let's verify one more time. This is the end of the tutorial. Next one, we're going to go to part A real quick. I think on this one, we're gonna learn a lot of cool stuff too, like tile maps. Before you start, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, yeah. See, look at that. That looks dope, dude. Make a tile map game. That'd be awesome. So we got a lot to do on this one too. So we got to think about it and get going. We're gonna learn some more things about coding, more game structure, switch statements again. Heck yeah, heck yeah. All right, thanks, Holmes. We're calling it. We are calling it. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. ArduBoy.